In today's world, staying connected and powered up is more important than ever. Whether you're traveling, working, or gaming on the go, you need a reliable charging solution. Introducing the INIU-the Fast Pro. Join over 38 million users worldwide who trust INIU for the safest, fastest, and most efficient charging experience. Engineered with only the highest quality materials, the INIU-the Fast Pro comes with a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. 140W PD 3.1 Superfast Charging means that while others stop at 65 or 100 watts, the INIU charger powers your high-demand devices faster than ever before. In just 30 minutes, a 16-inch MacBook Pro reaches 59%. A SteamDeck powers up to 57%. Your iPhone 15 Pro Max gets to 71%. And the Samsung S23 Ultra hits 75%. Traveling. With a massive 27,000 mAh capacity, this charger is airline approved and ensures you'll have enough power for multiple devices, all with a single charge. Whether it's your phone, laptop, or gaming gear, you're covered. With 3 charging ports, including a blazing fast 140W USB-C PD port, a 45W USB-C port, and a reliable USB-A port, the INIU charger powers over 1,000 plus devices from Android to Apple and everything in between. Say goodbye to guessing your battery life. The smart LED power display gives you a clear, dynamic view of your charge status, transforming the way you experience power. What's in the box? The 140W PD 3.1 power bank, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a travel case, a quick start guide, a user manual, plus our 30-day money-back guarantee and 3-year industry-leading warranty. The INIU-the Fast Pro power your world. Faster, safer, smarter. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Help my channel by doing the followings. It will helpful for this channel to upload regularly. If you like my gameplay, give a like, subscribe, and don't forget hit the bell icon. If you don't like my content, give a dislike. Please do tell me why.